Brain science expresses quite possibly of the hardest errand for the human brain is gathering yourself that you never again care eating the newly prepared chocolate chip treat. While discouraged can right away work on your mindset and battle the physical impacts of sorrow. It might seem like contending with your accomplice flags the finish of a relationship, however. It could really help couples bond better to know where your heart is, look where your psyche goes when it meanders for a man's emotional well-being. A 5-minute discussion with a delightful young lady is more gainful than a 2 hours of yoga research. Recommends that sluggishness is simply a typical piece of being. Good morning. Thank you for calling us here at the reservation desk. This is Chris on the phone, and I'll be more than happy to help you with your inquiry. I'm really sorry you were put on hold, but unfortunately we've had heavy call volume today. But I'm back now, and I can definitely check rates and availability for you. Can we start with some of your dates? It looks like your best option is this Friday at 6 p.m. Would you like to book this flight?